Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Now it can be a blower, sucker, air inflator, or vacuum. So that is really neat, and it's nice and compact. It comes with a little carrying case and all of these different attachments. You've got a vacuum attachment, you've got detailing brushes, inflator brushes, and it is completely rechargeable. So all of this stuff is all in here, and that is nice that you have all of these options. And it's pretty lightweight. It does have this recharging right here on the back. And you've got your power button right here, and then your fan speeds, which you can actually go up to 10 different fan speeds. So whenever you turn it on, you just press and hold the power button. It kicks on this nice screen, and then you can turn it on, see all the different levels. And when you turn this thing on, it really blows. That's only on level 3. So that is really nice that it works that great. I'm actually going to take it. You actually have the adjustment right here. You have one little nozzle piece that will come on and off. So based on if you are sucking or blowing it, you just adjust this on whatever side you're wanting to do. And then you can add in your different attachments that you're wanting to add in as well and be able to take it out. And now we can go out and vacuum. So I'm actually going to take this out into my car and we will try it out. So now we're out in the car and my floorboards are dirty. So I'm going to get this thing turned on and then we will get some of this stuff sucked up. So we'll just start out, it's just reset right back at that 3. And you can see it just sucking all that stuff up with ease. And that is only on level 3. So that's pretty nice. It's working really quick. If you didn't want to use the actual adjustment thing on there, you can take this off and then you actually have a bigger area to be able to use for your vacuum, because it does have this little trap on there, and get a wider area. So this would help with any sort of crevices. It's a nice little fan that has got a ton of power and will work in pretty much any situation.